Greetings, knowledge seekers. Have you ever wondered how everyday objects behave outside of Earth? Today, we're going to show you something that will challenge your understanding of physics in zero gravity. What you're about to see will make you question everything you know about the behavior of liquids. Are you ready for a dose of amazement? Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss our upcoming discoveries.
Calls back.
And so, Honey in Space has shown us that the universe is full of surprises. If you're eager for more cosmic mysteries, I invite you to explore another fascinating video where an iconic figure in the scientific world is intrigued by a declassified discovery on the moon. What secrets could our natural satellite be hiding? Find out and keep marveling at the enigmas of space. See you on the next journey.